Let's go ahead and add some content to this newly imported class. I'm going to add some dinos from public gallery. You can search from gallery and it'll show some existing dinos here. I selected interactive math lesson. Let's go ahead and add another dino. And this time I'm going to pick another one. Let's pick Mad Libs with dinos here. Now we have two dinos in this class. And I'm going to share to Classroom by clicking this button. This will bring this window, and automatically it shows this window where you can add title, description, and everything. And you can simply hit post to post it to your classroom. And you'll do the same thing for the second dino as well. Share to Classroom and post. Now we have two dinos that are shared with Google Classroom. You can see them right here in the demo class.